Morning, everybody. It's 8:34 on Wednesday, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1502 for this Wednesday morning. Asia and Europe kind of mixed to lower. UK inflation 10.1%. So that's a tough one to be able to deal with. And we had mortgage apps, of course, down 4.5%. I don't remember really the last time it had any meaningful move to the upside. Housing starts were slightly lower. 1,439,000. Expectations were 1,470,000. Housing starts were a little bit better, up 1.4% at 1,564,000, and the estimate there was 1.5, so it misses the estimate, but it does improve. And on those starts, we were down 8.1% versus expectations of down 6.7. This has, in general, all of this news has turned the market substantially lower. Right after well, earlier this morning we were up over 100. Now we're down 183 on the Dow, down about 90 on the NASDAQ, and down 31 on the S&P. We had those really nice movement last night in Netflix, currently trading 271.50, up 30.84 or 13%. JBHT, JB Hunt, the trucker, also up 3.7%. And ASML, which is, it's a foreign company, but it is the biggest chip maker, up 20 or 5.2% on less than feared decline. And Biden expected to make an announcement this morning or today on the sale of another 15 million barrels from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, because clearly we're at the point where it's an emergency for the Democrats to hold seats in the midterm elections. So with heating oil prices up, diesel up, gasoline starting to move back higher, clearly he's going to do something stupid, which is, to take away from our emergency reserves. Okay, chart on the screen is the S&P, and we drew this line in here across these tops, across these closes, all right under 38, yesterday's high being 37.77, zero follow through this morning, and we're on the low right now, down 20 and a half, almost 21. Let's just take a look around the rest of the futures, and we see oil taking back $1.20 of yesterday's decline, nat gas down a dime, heating oil down about a dime, gasoline up about a penny and a quarter, mixed grains, corn and soybeans lower, wheat higher. As far as the interest rates are pretty close to the highs, cycle highs. Rick Santelli was just talking about it. And higher interest rates has crushed the gold for a change. 1638, and that's down 17 and a half. Silver down 23 cents. The softs are mixed, down $1 on the cotton, up a little, 30 cents on the coffee, sugar a little lower, cocoa a little lower. Lumber hasn't opened yet, but it was up 7.5 on the day. Dollar is up another 78 cents, 112.79, and you know, this is really getting to be a problem. Take a look here. You know, we held this 110 area or 111 area like a rock, and we're trying to move back up. A downtrend line across these highs would probably give us a move to the upside over 113, and the bonds are down. I believe they were down 1.5, but we will take a look. Bonds down 1 and 10/32, so 1 and 5/16, a little over 1.25%. All right, everyone, be careful out there. This is a tough market, and it's still a bear market rally, even with the volume from yesterday. We'll see if we can recover from these poor housing